Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 7 students, this is week 4 lesson 2 and we will have 2 lessons only in this week 4 due to the Saudi National Day, so that will be your last lesson of this week. Simplifying algebraic expression, page number 28, and we will go to solve exercise 2b and 2c according to the weekly plan. If an algebraic expression contains two terms, each with the same letter, then we can usually add them. It is like that: x plus x equal 2x, 2x plus 3x equal 5x, 2x plus 3x means 2x 2 times and x 3 times is coming in the addition. However, if we two terms contain different letters like x and x square, these are the different letters, x and y are the different letters, so that's why we cannot add that. It is like that: if you say 1 apple plus 2 apples, you can say that we have 3 apples. If you have 1 apple and 2 banana, you cannot say that we have 3 apples. So the same situation, x plus y, x plus y. So that's why we will go to the now exercise. Let's see, let me turn on the board. And the board is P plus Q. Simplify if possible. P plus Q. Very simple. P and Q are different, so it is not possible. And if question 2, a plus a, it will be 2a because we can add, these are the similar values. Like question number 6, p minus minus q. This minus and minus become plus, only this step. Furthermore we cannot do because p and q are the different things. Question number 10, c plus 2d minus minus 3c. This minus minus become plus. There is no same value. C and C are same. C plus 3C. C plus 3C will be 4C and this 2D will be remain same with it. Okay. That is the way to solve this kind of questions. Okay, now when terms are multiplied together, we can write them in the slight shorter form by omitting the multiplication. It is like that: a multiply b. Keep in your mind, we can write ab. Same way, p multiply by p, p coming 2 times, you can write this p square. And if it is 5a multiply by 2b, in the short form you can multiply 5 by 2 10 and ab without sign of multiplication. There is no difference, it is only the way of writing. Or x divide by y, you can write x over y for the division. Now come to the exercise 2c. Very simple. You can see here x multiply y can be write xy. A multiply by a can be write a square. Same, for example, 8, question number 21, 8p divide by 2q. So it will be 8p over 2q. We can divide 8 by 2, 4. It will be 4p over q is the answer. So one more question, like 20 question. R minus minus 4s. Minus become, multiply minus become plus. Plus 4s is the answer. One and the last. See here, question number 25 to 40 are the similar form of questions. a minus 3 into a minus b. If the value is outside the bracket, it means this value will multiply with all the values inside. So it will be minus 3a. This minus multiply by minus become plus 3b. Now this a minus 3a will be minus 2a plus 3b. You can write like this also. If you will not write, no problem, that can be the answer. Okay, one last question. 5b minus c minus 3 into b plus c. 5 multiplied by b, 5b minus 5c. Same minus 3b minus 3c, because this minus multiply by minus, plus become minus. Okay, now 5b minus 3b equal 2b. Minus 5c minus 3c minus 8c. Minus 8c. So that is the answer. You keep equality sign with all the steps down, and that is your lesson 2 finish. So try to practice it. Inshallah you will feel easy after reviewing this lesson. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.